battle in this frame in the first pitch. Array. 1-0. Fastball clips in his years of coaching. 1-1. Swing and a miss. And McGonigle's down 1-2. Toes in the inner chalk for the 1-2. Ground ball right side. A couple hops to Ross Friedrich. He steps on the bag and retires McGonigle for the first out. Batter's box and awaits the first pitch from Lynn. Fastball misses below the 1-0 pitch. Crushed down the right field line. It's a foul ball. Lynn gets the sign. Here's the 1-1. Heater misses above the 2-1 offering. Fastball misses away. 3-1. Fastball in there. Strike 2. The payoff pitch misses outside for ball 4. First pitch to the righty. Cracked in between the hole at short and third for a base hit. Lakeland plays station to station. Clark advances up to second. Comes Jim Jarvis, the cleanup hitter. First pitch to the lefty. Changeup at 88. Misses working from the stretch. Here's the 1-0 pitch. Fastball hums. The 1-1. Runners go. Pitch misses high. Throw down to third, and Clark's safe. Leonard didn't get the jump, so 2-1. Fastball misses low. 3-1. Strike 2. Payoff pitch. Spanked in the left. That is down for a base hit. Clark scores from third, and it's an RBI single for Jim Jarvis. First pitch. Left downstairs. Squirts between Atkinson's legs, and the runners advance. Leonard goes from second to third. Palm Beach and Lakeland have the same number of wins. De La Cruz hits this in the air down the left field line. It's a foul ball. 1-1. Check swing, ball. Runners at second and third and 1 out. 1-2. Left downstairs. 2-2. Left low again. Is at his chest. He lifts for the 3-2. Skips low. Ball 4. First pitch to Heel. Misses. 1-0 pitch. Fastball. 1-1. Ground ball left side. Villarreal backhands. Throws on a hop to first. Almost scooped out. Runner's safe, and here comes another run. Jarvis scores from third. Like a kernel of popcorn, Ross Friedrich's glove falls right off his hand, trying to scoop the ball out of the dirt. Heel reaches and brings home 2 runs to make it 3-0 Lakeland in the bottom of the first. First pitch. Fastball misses. 1-0 pitch. Fastball called 2-0. Here's the pitch. Bouncing ball, cue shot right back to Lynn. He fields, flips over to home, and the tag on De La Cruz. He is out. Heads up play by Lynn. Sprinting home, he underhand flips it to the catcher, Chase Atkinson, who slaps the tag on De La Cruz. There's 2 away. De La Cruz didn't slide. And his 30th pitch is a slider. Hitless so far in 6 at-bats. 0-1. Slider, the injured list. Here's the 1-1. Check swing, but the pitch was in there. 1-2. Check swing, did he go? No. Outs. Lynn comes set, here's the pitch. The first inning. Here's his 35th. Swing and a miss, strike 3, and it will stay at 35. His first offering to David Smith. Misses low for... Here comes the 1-0 to Smith. In the air, center field. Espinoza sprints to his left, and the center fielder makes a running catch for the first out. First pitch to the lefty. 1-0 from Lynn. On a rope, into left. Davis runs to the track, and he makes the 3-0 Lakeland, and the first pitch to Clark. Sink the 1-0 delivery. Hit in the air. 1-1 pitch. Opposite field, running over Espinoza. And Davis, the left fielder, makes the running catch right in front of Espinoza. And here comes the first pitch to Eddys Leonard. Skips and Tigers. Here's the 1-0. Fastball runs low. Right-handed batter's box against Chen Wei Lin. The 2-0 pitch is crushed. Deep to left center. Espinoza in the gap, sprints over, and he makes a catch. A diving one at that, towards the track. First out of the inning. Lisandro Espinoza got to left center field in a hurry, but the ball kept carrying. Wind blowing out towards dead center, so Espinoza had to sprint back towards the track, and he made a diving catch towards the wall for the first out of the inning. Tip of the cap to you, Espinoza. Base is clear and 1 out for Jim Jarvis. Here's the first pitch. Fast here at Publix Field. 1-0. Misses high. Stadium is smaller than Publix Field. 2-0. Fastball. 2-1 to Jim Jarvis. Just in the inning. Lynn finished his pitch, and as he came back up on the mound, he stuck his arm out to try and make a barehanded grab. Luckily for him, he came up empty, and Villarroel right behind him made the play. 2 outs, and the base is clear for Danerois de la Cruz. Righty-on-righty battle. Lynn from the windup. First pitch. Swing and a miss. Team at 6'7". 0-1. Swing and a miss. And timeout. Now he's back in the box for the 0-2. Cracked. Oh! Fell out of the third baseman's glove and rolls into shallow center. Salazar almost made the play, and then all of a sudden, the ball just found its way out. Heel swings at the first pitch and crushes it to center. It lands in front of Espinoza. He knocks it down with a bare hand. De La Cruz rounds second, and he speeds into third. 9th. First pitch. Fastball runs low, and he struck out looking in the 9th. 1-0. Heater called corners and 2 outs. Lynn spins, throws to first, and Heel slides back safely on a fielder's choice. 1-1 offering. Misses low. And here's the pitch. Into right center. Cordoba sprints in, and he makes a running catch. Running towards second base, and that is the final of it, and it landed on the playing surface. First pitch to Rubalcaba. That wings all the way to the backstop. It's 1-0. The young kid goes back to sit with his friend. Rubalcaba fouls the... Here's the 1-1. Swing and a miss, and Rubalcaba side, he lifts and fires. Line drive right side, diving stop by Richardson. Throws to first in time, and claps all around from the Cardinals to the second baseman, Trey Richardson. He dove to his left in the outfield grass. Made the sliding catch to retire Rubalcaba for the first out. Here comes David Smith to the plate. Base is clear and 1 out. Here's the pitch. Fast hit baseball from Rubalcaba. 1-0. Fastball misses at the left. 2-0 to Smith. He squares, pulls back, and the pitch. 3-0 pitch. Fastball, a get-me-over. 3-1 pitch. Misses low and in for ball 4. First pitch to the lefty is on a rope into right field for a base hit. David Smith goes station to station up to second base, and McGonigal didn't waste any time. 60%. First pitch to Clark. That's in there. 0-1. Ground ball left side, base hit into left. That could bring home another. Smith rounds third. The throw from Davis is cut off. Juice, that's for sure. First pitch to Leonard, misses. 1-0 pitch. 1-1. Misses high. 2-1. Snap throw to second. McGonigal slides back in safely. 2-1. Misses in. 3 ball. 3-1. In the air. Foul ball. Goes over the 3-2. Double steal. And Leonard hits it over the second baseman's head and into right. McGonigal scores. Clark gets the stop sign at third. It's an RBI single for Eddys Leonard with the runners in motion. This is at the plate. First pitch. 1-0 pitch. Heater misses frame. 2-0. Just misses both side of the rubber. 3-0. Misses low, ball 4. It's a 4-pitch walk. 4 innings and a third. 5 runs have already come across, and each base runner is Lynn's responsibility.